thing down there. It was like the hybrid Zeratul fought.
Here? But how?
Minsk. It's always Minsk. The end of the universe is coming, and I should have known he'd be behind it.
But how did he hybridize Zerg and Protoss? The technology required is way beyond anything Terrans have developed. He can't be working alone on this.
This is Kate Lockwell for UNN. Donnie Vermillion remains on sick leave. Get better, Donnie. Coming up later, we begin a 10-part expose on corruption in the Dominion government. How high does it go? Tonight, however, I'd like to return to the topic of Tarsonis and the day it fell. Families ripped apart, literally, when the savage Zerg arrived. Mountains of dead bodies, deserted cities. Let's play that clip again.
I will rule this sector or see it burnt to ashes around.
Stop! Wait! You can't just come in here!
By order of Dominion Security, this newscast is terminated.
We finally got you, Arcturus. Nice to see the media taking shots at you for a change.
Whatever you found down there makes me afraid. What was it?
Something monstrous. A Zerg Protoss hybrid. It must have been a powerful sigh for you to feel it scream from all the way up here.
Searing, blinding, like feeling the sun burn in your face with your eyes squeezed shut. I never felt a thing like that before. I hope I never do again.
What in the hell's name did you stir up in that lab, cowboy?
Minx has taken a playing God literally now. He made that thing and a whole heap more like it. And who knows how many other labs he's got out there.
Great. Like we ain't got enough to handle with the Zerg. Now we got Minx breeding his own damn monsters too.
Have got themselves set up again since the Zerg chased them out of their old place. They say they've worked out where to find another artifact. Lovely little place called Typhon.
There she is, Planet Typhon. Don't look so bad.
Yep, sensors indicate... Wait, what the... The star's energy output just jumped 500%. I've never seen anything like it.
Slow down, Matt. What's it mean?
It means the star will go nova in a few hours. Meantime, the planet's getting bombarded by waves of fire.
Fire. Why does it always have to be fire?
Well, the good news is, we've got a significant cache of supplies planetside, so we shouldn't need to build supply depots.
Well, that's something. So where's our artifact?
Right there. Smack dab in the middle of all them Protoss.
Our mobile structures can relocate and keep us just ahead of the fire, but we'll need to salvage everything we can't take with us.
You ain't seriously going down there.
Come on, partner. We got hours till that sun explodes.
Well, let's grab that artifact and get out of here before your Queen of Blades shows up looking for it.
Inbound. Fine.
Hope you brought your sunscreen, cowboy.
Now ain't the time, Swan.
Relax, hotshot. I got something useful for you. Banshees. These babies can blow the snot out of ground forces. Got cloaking, too. Gotta love that.
Done and done.
Whoa, careful of those Protoss cannons. They can detect Banshees even when they're cloaked.
Turbines to full. Roger that. Fine. Inbound. I got this. Done and done. Engaging. Right.
Nice job. Let's get our base up and running and get that artifact.
Ah! SCV ready.
Warning, fire wave approaching.
You gonna give me orders?
I got my ears on. Can do.
Incoming transmission.
Raynor, we anticipated your arrival. Now you will pay for desecrating our holy relics.
Oh, hell. Not these Tal'Darim guys again. They seriously need to learn when to quit.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. This better be good.
Yeah? Fine. I got this.
Armed and ready. Can't wait.
Loud and clear. The doctor is in. Roger that.
You gonna get...
Holla back. Can do. Engaging. That's fine. Screaming. Inbound. Confirmed. Right. Done and done. Right. Roger that. Done and done.
Baby!
Fine. No problem.
Armed and ready.
Receiving.
Who wants some? Sure.
Turbines to full.
Mineral field depleted.
Loud and...
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Engine screaming.
Explorer reporting.
I got my... Yeah?
Transmit
The
orders.
doctor is in.
It's about to get...
Mineral field depleted.
We better send some body bags.
Gangway, coming through. Armed?
Transmit orders. Let's roll.
This Tal'Darim base is in a good spot for us. We just need to clear them out and take possession.
Warning. Fire wave arrival is imminent. Base evacuation required.
The Tal'Darim outpost to the east would make an excellent location to move our base to. We just need to clear them out and take possession.
By the numbers, boys.
Done and done. Terminus to full. Loud and clear. I got this. Engaging. Weapons hot. Fine. No problem.
What's going on?
Mineral field depleted.
Receiving headquarters.
The Tal'Darim base has been cleared. Should buy us a little elbow room.
Our warrior's sacrifice was not in vain. We gladly marched towards death to ensure your doom.
Receiving headquarters. We have you.
Got a whole lot of love. Oh, it's on.
Transmit order.
Go ahead. Big job, huh?
Not enough energy.
Yep. In the rear with the gear. Uh-huh. I can't build here. I can't build here. Yo. Bad news? Yeah.
Add-on complete. Add-on complete. Not enough. Add-on complete.
Go ahead. What's going on? Big job, huh?
The doctor is in.
Mineral field depleted.
Confirmed. Done and done.
Receiving headquarters.
Loud and clear. Can do.
I need a pickle.
No problem. Roger that. Weapons hot.
Bad news?
Receiving. Engaging. I got this. Turbines to...
Needs. This better be good. What's that?
Transmit orders.
Power back.
Receiving headquarters. We have you on visual. Excellent. Ah, greetings, Command. We have you on visual. Let's roll. Affirmative, sir. Commencing Excellent.
I got my ears on.
Greetings, Command.
Mineral field depleted.
Awesome.
Upgrade complete.
Call the ball.
Mineral field depleted.
Don't leave me hanging.
Receiving headquarters. Let's roll.
Holla back. Engage. That's fine. Roger that. Turbines to full.
Mineral field depleted.
I got my ears on. Receiving. Weapons hot. I got this. Done and confirmed. Right.
Receiving headquarters.
Roger that.
Mineral field depleted.
Inbound.
Not enough minerals.
Receiving headquarters. Let's roll. Commencing.
Receiving. Right. I got my ears on.
We have you on visual.
Why not?
Yeah?
Receiving headquarters.
What's that? What's our target?
Call the ball. Done and Mayday! 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 That's new. Right. Confirmed.
Receiving headquarters. Come in. Let's roll. Receive headquarters.
Okay, the artifact's secure. Saddle up, people. We're out of here.
We will pursue you to the end of the universe, James Raynor. 1,000 deaths cannot atone for your wanton sacrilege.